Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Money Phone. My name's Ryan, and today I'll be showing you how to change the video recording resolution on the iPhone 13 Pro. First, go to Settings, and make your way down to the Camera settings. From here, we can go to Record Video, and here you can change the resolution that your camera records at. I prefer shooting at 4K 24 frames per second because most videos that you watch online are 24 frames. And so when I'm recording videos like this, or recording videos in general on my phone, I like to shoot at 24 frames per second. For most other people, I would suggest shooting at 1080p 30 frames per second just because it's going to save room on your phone. I'm going to switch that back to 4K. And then down here, you can see that it gives you how much space it's going to take up depending on what resolution that you're shooting at. And that is how you change the video recording resolution on the iPhone 13 Pro.